Hi, this is Patty, and you are listening to Patty's Corner. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the podcast. And this is me, your host, Patty. Yeah, it's me again. Feeling ko, ilang beses ko nang pag-uusapan to sa podcast ko. I'm in my waiting game. And I am still in my waiting game. I'm still in my waiting season. And naiinip na ako, totoo man. Naiinip na ako, Lord, ano pa po bang kailangan kong gawin? Hindi ko na alam. Pero patuloy lang ang buhay, patuloy lang ang pagsusumikap, patuloy lang ang pangarap, patuloy lang ang life. Alam mo 'yun? Hindi ko alam, eh, feeling ko lost ako, I don't have anything that I am proud of that I could think of. I don't know. Wala akong I want more. I'm hungry for more. I wanted to do a lot of things, but I don't know where to start. So what I did is parang hindi ako medyo naiinip. I've been trying my first times. You know that when you try a hobby and then you would try a hobby first, but then you suck at it, but still you love it. Like God forbid me liking a hobby that I'm not good at. Just like bouldering. Nagbo-bouldering ako now, nagpi-pickleball ako. Tapos I will try fencing as well. Ang dami kong ginagawa ha, pero alam mo yun, but I'm not good at it, but I'm having fun. Pero nowadays, I'm kind of like asking myself, what does my heart truly want? Hindi ko siya masagot. Hindi ko siya masagot. Hindi ko siya masagot talaga. What does my heart truly want? Ang dami kong gustong gawin, pero hindi ko alam paano ko sila gagawin. Alam mo yun? Pero I think God is quiet or is He speaking to me in this quiet moment? Kasi alam mo yun, you have problems that you don't talk about and you have problems that will really, really test you to your core. And I see it as a blessing because I think it's also a blessing from God. He is teaching you something from that problem that I hope na masosolve ko siya. And when I solve it, I hope that I could receive that blessing from Him. Kung ano man ang mga kailangan kong gawin in life. At the moment, hindi ko talaga alam ano yung gusto ko eh. Pero I wanted to say to the universe na I am ready for whatever you're gonna throw at me. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Siyempre, wala na makakaalam kung ano ba talaga yun. Pero I am in my waiting season. And in my waiting season, I think God is teaching me to be patient, to be more humble, to be more understanding, and to know myself truly. Because, at this age, I'm 30 and I'm still trying to know myself. Biruin mo yun, 30 na ako. Tapos, I'm still trying to learn so many things about myself. Like, what do I dislike? What do I like? Alam mo yun? Pero, now that I know as well that you cannot control other people's feelings and you could only control your feelings on how you would react. For example, someone is being rude to me. Gaganti ba ako? Dati oo. Ngayon hindi na. I'm just kind of like, whatever, dude. I'm not gonna react. I'm not gonna give you the reaction that you are trying to get from me. I don't know, hindi ko alam. Pero what I know then is, I've met a couple of high school batchmates or classmates and friends. Like, I just met them the other day because we played pickleball. Ang saya lang na nakita ko sila ulit. Tapos there was one batchmate na I never talked to him like at all nung high school kami. Kasi hindi naman kami naging classmates. Pero nung nagkita kami, parang wow, hello, walang awkwardness. Hi, hello. And I was thinking na the people that I grew up with knows me and kind of like, parang kahapon lang kami nagkita. Alam mo yun? Pero hindi ko pa rin alam yung sarili ko. But I think I'm kind of like that when I was in high school. And I'm kind of like, napaisip ako na, am I still learning, like, am I still discovering pati in high school or pati in college or pati here right now. Hindi ko alam, magulo na thoughts ko, alam mo ba yun? Kasi talaga, I always ask myself right now talaga, what does my heart truly want? What do I want? What does God want from me? Kasi hindi ko siya masagot. Ang hirap. Alam mo, ang ano ng question na yon na, anong gusto mo in life? Pero hindi ko siya masagot. Ang hirap. Confused ba ako? Depressed ba ako? I don't know. Pero, nasa waiting season ako. Alam mo yon in your waiting season, ang dami mong ma-realize din. Hindi ko talaga, I'm confused. And also, hindi ko alam. Tapos, it's not as well good na I see my batchmates doing this. I do know that I have my own lane and I have my own journey in this life and I have my own purpose, but you cannot remove from your mind na, oh my gosh, buti pa sila ganito, buti pa sila ganyan. But I try to focus on myself. I try to focus on my lane. I try to kind of like be hungry for more because I wasn't really ambitious, you know. I was kind of like I'm comfortable. So I'm just gonna live like this. But I realized ko in the long run, like when I grew older, kung bang ginawa ko to now, like kung hindi ko siya ginawa, gagawin ko siya on my 40. Tapos medyo matanda na ako noon. I should be kind of like settled by 40. So I'm kind of like still rediscovering myself here in my 30s. I did a lot of mistakes when I was in my 20s and I've learned from them and I try not to do them in my 30s. So I'm still kind of like rediscovering them and I'm trying to keep my friends like super close knit na. I try to know like if there's an argument or there's like something that I don't like, I kind of like stay quiet. I know it's kind of like weird, but I kind of like confront problems before too aggressively. But right now, parang pagod na ako. Wag na tayong mag-away. Kind of like that. Yan na ba yung trentahin? Hindi ko alam. Pero, ang hirap nun. Ikaw, what have you asked yourself? What does my heart truly want? What do you want? Kasi ang hirap nung tanong. Ang parang ang dali lang yung sagutin, eh, pero ang hirap niya talaga. But at the moment, nag-e-enjoy naman ako sa life ko at the moment. Kasi pumasok ako now as sa LECCOM in our parish. So nagbabasa na ako ngayon, pero oh my gosh, ang hirap magbasa in Kapampangan ha. I must say, some words na hindi ko maintindihan talaga. I don't understand them at all sometimes. So I asked my grandmother, anong meaning nito? Paano basahin to? Para at least naiintindihan ko yung gospel, naiintindihan ko yung reading, naiintindihan ko yung book. What I've read, naiintindihan ko siya kasi ang hirap magkapampangan. I speak Kapampangan, but my Kapampangan is not that deep. I wish it was deep, but it's not that deep because it's so hard to speak in Kapampangan as well, and especially reading. So hard. Kinda sumali ako sa theater before and it's in Kapampangan. Still different when you read the Bible, like the gospel, the reading for for Sunday. Ang hirap. Hindi mo siya maintindihan sometimes. And then I joined the choir as well. Ang dami kong ginagawa now. Busy ko ah. But I wanted to serve the Lord. I've wanted to serve the Lord even like before pa. Pero I didn't know, like I don't have time. Tapos nung inambush yaya nila ako, I was kind of like, oh, okay, sige po, gusto ko na. I mean, sige po, I'll go, I'll read. Ayun, I joined the choir, I do like I do pickleball, I sometimes do play badminton, sometimes I go bouldering, and I still go to my favorite hobby, going to cafes, drinking matcha, trying new spots. Like, nauso yung matcha ngayon. I don't know why, pero nauso talaga siya. Ang daming shops na nagmamatcha din. Well, matagal na, like, years na rin. Pero I think nauuso din niya yung ube latte. Pero hindi ako masyado mahilig sa ube, so I'm not gonna dwell into that. But right now, in my waiting season, I'm enjoying hobbies that I tried, like, first time kong itry. And nag-enjoy naman ako. But I don't know, I hope I would know what my purpose is then. And I think I still want to do theater as well, but hindi lang ako makahanap ng time. But at the moment, I'm kind of contented, but I'm still wanting to have more. Ang gulo ng thoughts ko, but I hope lahat tayo, if we're struggling with something, I hope we find the right people and right organization, or I don't know, find a hobby na we would truly enjoy. And I hope each and every one of us would be able to connect with God and be closer to Him. Because right now, I am truly, I know na I'm being closer to Him and I'm talking more to Him. And also, I'm trying to serve. I don't feel like before, to be honest, I feel like obligated ako na magsimba. Like, kapag hindi ako nagsimba, parang, oh my gosh, ba't di ako nagsimba? Ganon. But right now, I, I, I look forward to it every Sunday na dati parang, oh my God, tinatamad ako, magsisimba na naman ako. Right now, na meron akong org, na meron akong, I'm with the LECCOM, I'm with the choir, nililook forward ko siya every Sunday na, oh my gosh, magsiserve ako, ganyan, natutuwa ako. Pero before talagang, oh my gosh, tinatamad ako. I'm so, alam mo yun, wala akong discipline before. Well, parang nag-improve naman ako, no? But, yeah, ang dami kong nadi-discover din sa self ko. And I try to ask myself, what does my heart truly want then? Well, right now, I truly want checks on my... I was just kidding. Anyway, I still love K-pop. I still love K-drama, C-drama. Unod pa din ako. I still love that. But there are certain things na before, for example, I don't eat tinola before. Right now, I eat tinola. Pag tumatanda ka, ang dami mong mga dislikes and likes na nag-change din. So, as you grow older din pala, I think, o nga no, o nga no, but na ko lang na-realize na as you grow older, mag-change talaga yung likes and dislikes mo. And, ayun, basta, ang pinaka-main take ko lang is I hope I'm happy. I'm contented and happy and connected with God. Spiritually, like emotionally, because, I don't know, because faith still gives me something na I I don't know, paano ko ba i-explain yun? Basta there's just some kind of feeling that makes my heart warm. So yeah, that's for the episode for today. Bye!